Welcome back, Servant Explorers. In this video, this is the continuation of our tour sa South Cebu. Last video, pinakita namin ang aming experience sa Mualboal, kung saan nakasama or na-experience namin mag-dive kasama ang turtle, and also yung diving with the sardines or swim with the sardines. So in this video, papakita namin ang aming experience with the swim with the whale sharks, and also pag-visit namin sa Simala Shrine. So dito na kami natulog pagkatapos ng Mualboal, dumiretso agad kami sa Oslob. And nagstay kami overnight kasi maaga yung aming schedule, or dapat talaga maaga kung pupunta ka doon sa Oslob. So mga 6 AM ang start ng pila, kasi pipila ka muna bago ka pupunta doon sa gitna with the whale sharks. EMB Sunrise View Resort, ayan. May swimming pool. Ganda ng swimming pool, oh. May pa-slides pa dito. Yan. So, dito kami magstay overnight. Yan, ganda ng swimming pool. Pumila muna kami, and napaka-organized ng ginawa dito ng local government para ma-establish ang tama na pila. And nag-briefing din pala muna yung mga do's and don'ts kailangan natin gawin in terms of safety, and also pag nandun na tayo nagsiswim kasama ang mga whale sharks. So bawal po siyang hawakan, and as much as possible hindi tayo kailangan maglagay ng mga sun lotion. And kung mapapansin nyo dito, yung bangka ay gumagamit lang ng paddle, no? Hindi siya yung tipong dimotor. Harmful para sa mga whale sharks kung gagamit ng dimotor or yung petrol kung mapupunta doon sa dagat. Ayan, napakaganda ng dagat. 500 pesos pala ang binayad namin dito each. Sa mga Pilipino, ang bayad ay 500 pesos. Pero pag foreigner, nasa around 1,000 pesos each. Ayan, so dito umpisa na kami sa aming journey. Ayan, napakasaya. This is one of the best experience na experience namin dito sa Cebu. Okay, on the way to the whale. Yes. After 30 minutes, nakapag ano din.
On 30 minutes, kay sunod kayo.
Yes, 30 to 40 minutes waiting. Ayan, maayos at organize ang pila.
Those are the whale sharks. Oh, laki no.
Ha? Donite. Mo, sulong na. Ha?
Oh my gosh.
Wait lang.
Tatay, di naman ako malalaglag, di ba? Oh.
Libre na yung life jacket, libre na rin yung goggles, and kung meron kang snorkel, mas maganda magdala ka para ma-enjoy nyo talaga. So, ang swim time lang dito mga kabayan ay nasa around 30 minutes lang. Okay, kaya dapat pagdating nyo talaga doon sa kung saan yung mga whale, huwag nang magtagal, diretso swim na agad para ma-enjoy nyo yung experience swimming with the whale sharks. Ayan, ganda na experience. So, kung meron kayong GoPro, mas maganda magdala kayong GoPro, and bigay nyo sa kanila para ma-videohan at ma-picturean kayo.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, are you? some lines we wish we never said. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Long it over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being ever nicer, knowing to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, you're such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes. You'll be just
You can also visit Oslo Ruin Church and after sa Whale Shark. Ayan, church. Church! Ay, oo nga pala.